Ms. Hart, I think we showed what wind and water can do, water changing rocks.
Yeah.
And in our experiment the other day, I would really like to show the kids what that wind itself can change rock.
How it can change the rocks.
Solid
Yeah.
rock.
But this time I'm gonna write "Do not enter"
Oh, good idea.
on the sign because we got a little bamboozled last time.
And it was very hard on you, on your back.
It was, Marsh, but I'm back.
Your looks.
I'm back.
I mean, not that they were bad, but
So do
500 years.
not. Oh, I can turn "do not" into a contraction.
Contraction, yeah.
Cross out the O,
Mhm.
and that's don't.
Don't forget the apostrophe.
Yep, I got it. Don't enter.
Because that apostrophe tells whoever's reading it that the O is gone.
Yep. Okay.
Okay,
There. Hopefully they read it this time.
that's right.
Right there. Everything. Okay.
Can't miss it.
So you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Ooh, I'll let you go first.
Okay. Oh, your gloves?
Oh.
You got a mask on?
Yep. Okay. Okay. So Marsh, we do have the rock. We have a rock here. Notice the texture of the rock. It's very pointy.
Yep.
It's kind of jaggedy and ripply on the
Sharp
edges.
on
It's
the
very
edges,
sharp.
flat surfaces.
Yeah.
Nothing inside
Nope.
the container.
Nothing.
I see that has to be a special splash-proof, erosion-proof backsplash on
Right.
there.
Right.
Yeah, I
So
bet
that-
that costs some pretty
Yeah.
$30.
That'll be fine.
I
So
hope Aaron doesn't find out, this
We have-
Conrad.
time chamber, October 7th. It's about 1:30-ish.
Okay?
We're gonna do a rock erosion by wind.
Mhm.
Time elapse. What are we gonna do? Let's just do 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah. 5
Okay.
years. So
Okay.
I'm gonna
Well,
set
it's
that
safer that way, because look what happened to you last time.
Well, true.
It was 500
True.
years.
Right.
Okay, 5 years.
Okay, so I'm gonna hit 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
And then I brought in my wind machine, so it's super gusty.
Oh,
So that should be
Should
good.
I
You wanna
turn that
it on
on?
for me? Yeah.
and how do you turn on this turbocharged
Wow, it's
super
kinda
wind
powerful.
machine?
It's kind of powerful. Ooh.
You know, if only they made these things turn on as easy as a fan turns on, instead of so complicated. I suppose it's because of all the power.
Yeah, it is. It is. Okay. So, wow, that's good. That's a good breeze, Marsh.
Yep,
Okay.
that should do it.
Make sure. I think I have to go get something though. I'll be right back.
Well,
Okay.
I'm gonna stay here.
Okay.
And,
We don't want to make the mistake.
make sure that the rock doesn't tip over something, that's so
Right.
powerful. And watch it.
We don't want to make the mistake and have it be 500 years again.
Right.
Okay. I'll be back, Marsh.
Okay.
I'll hustle.
You know, we had to use the cumulative power of subtraction
Okay,
to
she can
get
stop.
Miss Hart back to the what she looked like 500 years prior in the last experiment.
Hey Marsh, I'm back. We had everything in here anyway. Woo! It is so bright in here. So bright. Oh my gosh, I think that wind eroded Mr. Marsh's hairline. Oh my gosh. Mr. Marsh. Mr. Marsh, wake up. Hi.
Hello, Sonny.
Hi. It's not Sunny, it's Miss Hart. Your
Oh,
forehead looks a
I
little
can't
sunny.
see very good there.
Your forehead looks a little sunny.
Miss Hart.
Hi, Marsh.
Man.
Yeah, look at what happened. All that.
Oh my goodness. There's no flat surfaces anymore.
No, the wind eroded the rock. You can see the little tunnels
I think my
and
back
grooves.
eroded too.
I think your hairline's eroded.
My hairline?
Yeah. Maybe we'll just take you out of here. I'm sorry, Marsh. It happened again.
How did it happen? I just thought I'd cool off for a little while and I fell asleep.
Yeah, it's been a while.
I hope
It's
the
been a
kids
while.
don't try this at home.
I don't think they will, Marsh. I don't think they will. You're not looking all that spry. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the super wind machine. Bye,
Anything for the
kiddos.
kids of Kiganza, the second
Yeah.
graders.
Bye,
We love
guys.
you. Bye.